Hey guys, I know I'm looking like the hottest mess ever, but it's hot in Florida and I couldn't wait to share this amazing Happy Meal I just got from Farris Creations. Also, ignore that my tongue is blue. I had a sour apple taffy or Laffy Taffy or some kind of taffy, and I don't know why it's blue and not green. But anyways, besides the point, let's get into this package. Also, another thing, I think my mailman really hates me. I'm going to show you guys a picture of how this package was in my mailbox. He made me work hard to get my package out of my mailbox. But we have our package and I'm excited because she sent me some goodies. I don't know what's in here, but if you don't follow Farris Creations, you definitely should check her out on TikTok as well as Instagram. She has some amazing cute items from tumblers, t-shirts, scrunchies, headbands, and so much more I'm probably not even mentioning. One thing she has so many cute items are of, you know, that blue dog with a cute orange sister. So definitely check out her page and follow her. I will have her tagged in the caption. Time to get into the box. First thing in the box was this cute thank you note and her cute, adorable logo, Farris Creations. And this is all the websites she's available at. So like I said, definitely check her out. And everything is nicely packaged. Let's get in. I'm so excited. Oh my God, my blue tongue. I can't take myself seriously. If you don't know, Muffin is like my favorite character from the Bluey show. Look, her, is that her as Gladys? Yes, her granny name is Gladys. She's too cute. I can't. Oh my gosh. I can't. I'm the flamingo queen. I love Muffin, and this is going to be literally my everyday tumbler. Thank you so much. And yes, it came with a straw. Can't wait to start drinking my iced coffee out of this. It's so cute, and I also love the fact that it is a pastel color too on top of that. How adorable is that? Next we have, it looks like a scrunchie and a headband, and of course featuring my love Muffin. How cute is this? The thing is, I'm not gonna want to use this on my hair. I'm just gonna want to wear it on my wrist. Like, seriously. Muffin, you live with me now. And then how cute is this headband? Y'all, I'm dying. With Muffin all over it. Oh my God, look at Muffin like a flower. This, I can't explain to you why I love Muffin so much. She's just so sassy, and I think I love that about her the most. So we got a scrunchie and a headband. How cute with Muffin. We have a little baggie filled with some different items. Ooh, this is cute. So it is a Mini Brands toy pet rescue ball made into a keychain. This is adorable. I do need to switch out my keychains, so perfect timing. And another keychain, and so me, coffee addict, and I love the color scheme on this as well. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? It's a Bluey bookmark. I do love reading, and recently I did pick up some books from someone here on TikTok, so this would be perfect to go with my reading. I love it. It's so cute. Lily is gonna want to like literally steal all this stuff from me. I already know. We have some extra goodies that were in here. Oh, here's another thank you card with some care instructions on there. We also got a cute little bingo sticker, and it's like fuzzy, like felty, if that makes sense. A yummy lollipop mixed with this blue. The color's gonna get interesting. And the last thing in the package was a beautiful Clarabelle pen. How cute. And there's a Minnie Mouse bead. I'm loving this. Thank you so much for the amazing package. I cannot wait to use all these items. I'm already sporting the scrunchie. It's not coming off. You think I'm lying. But thanks so much again. I'm obsessed. You guys, if you're not following Farris Creations here on TikTok, like I said, I will have her tagged down below, as well as check her on Instagram and all her other social media platforms. I promise you will not regret it. And she has some of the cutest items. This is not it, guys. She has more, like t-shirts. The t-shirts are freaking adorable. But anyways, I'll let you go so you can go check her out.